I'm Kaylee Olivas. 2 University Hospital pediatricians have been fired for reportedly sending a text to other physicians asking them to rally to improve health care. Now there's a movement to reinstate them, from petition signing to now writing postcards to the hospital's board of directors. This is Dr. Lauren Bean and Dr. Valerie Fouts-Fowler. Collectively, they've worked at university hospitals for 18 years, but their time has come to a close.
Initially, we were placed on administrative leave on the 19th of June, and then we were fired on the 24th. Terminated is how they put it. So we are no longer employed by UH.
According to UH, the 2 are accused of accessing 4,000 private cell phone numbers of doctors and sending unsolicited texts, which, quote, creates a risk to care coordination that we cannot tolerate. In a statement, the hospital says in part, quote, physicians have now expressed concern about sharing personal information, which could jeopardize the seamless care coordination UH strives to provide.
What we were doing is we were organizing our fellow physicians to form a union, which we felt would help the doctors regain a voice in the decisions that are made high up in healthcare.
Dr. Bean and Dr. Fouts-Fowler say they've been working on unionizing UH healthcare workers for the last year as a part of a nationwide effort, not only as a way to regain everyone's voices, but to end the fear of suffering consequences from corporate for speaking up.
There really is no way for people on the front lines of healthcare to speak up when they see something is not working the way that it should or that something's dangerous without fear of retaliation.
UH argues, though, the actions of these 2 doctors were not related to care coordination, and their firing is not retaliatory. But that's not how they see it, nor do their patients' families.
They need to reinstate both of these doctors because not only are they hurting the doctors, they're hurting a lot of clients. What UH is doing is very wrong.
Not only is she demanding reinstatements, but so are more than 24 state representatives who are calling for a prompt review. So if they were to come to you guys and say, yeah, we'll reinstate you, even if it was an hour, a day, a month, a year, you guys would accept the position back?
Yeah,
Yes.
definitely.
Yes.
Yeah, we want to work at University Hospitals, Rainbow Babies and Children's Hospital, and we want to help make it better in any way that we can.
And if they don't get their jobs back, legal action could follow.
I hope it doesn't come to that, and I hope we get our jobs back and we're able to start seeing our patients again quickly. So we'll
Cross that bridge when you get
exactly.
there. We'll have University Hospital's full statement up on our website. That's news5cleveland.com. And as always, we'll, of course, continue to follow through. For News 5, I'm Kaylee Olivas.